DS diving here June 21st at Lakeshore Marina, Rancho Delux. I'm going to do an after clean video. It does appear there's some bolts in your trim tab. I would assume that's where some zincs go, but there are none. But everything else, shaft sinks, could use replaced fairly soon. You'll see in the video. Visibility did just get pretty shot, but I'm going to do my best here. DS diving, thank you very much. We'll go over within the zincs. Obviously, diver's plate, bow thruster, trim tab zincs, shaft zincs recommended. Thank you.